Hi. In last class, we discussed about the plasma membrane or cell membrane. Today we are going to discuss about the cell wall. What is cell wall? Cell wall is a protective layer outside the plasma membrane. What is cell wall? It is a protective layer outside the plasma membrane. The cell wall is present only in plant cell, algae, fungi and bacteria. It is not present in animal cell. Don't forget this. It is present in plant cell, fungi, bacteria and algae. It is not present in animal cell. The cell wall lies outside the plasma membrane. We already said that cell is the protective layer outside the plasma membrane. And cell wall is composed of cellulose. Cell wall is composed of cellulose. Cellulose is a hard material. They can provide the strength to the plant or that cell. Okay. Now we can see the plasmolysis. Here you can see one picture. It's showing that phenomenon of plasmolysis. First you can see a normal cell. In second picture you can see cell showing contraction of cytoplasm because of plasmolysing solution. In last picture you can see the plasmolysed cell. In that picture the cell cytoplasm is shrinkled or contracted. What is plasmolysis? Plasmolysis is the contraction of the protoplast of a plant cell as a result of loss of water from the cell. Or simply we can say that plasmolysis is a process by which cells lose water in a hypertonic solution. What is hypertonic solution? A solution has a greater concentration of solutes. A solution has a greater concentration of solute is called a hypertonic solution. What is plasmolysis? Plasmolysis is a process by which cells lose water in a hypertonic solution. And one more thing, plasmolysis is only possible in living cell. It is not possible in dead cell. Only possible in living cell. What are the functions of the cell wall? It helps to maintain shape and form of cell and it gives support to the cell. Third one, it helps to withstand turgor pressure. It helps to withstand turgor pressure and it also helps to regulate the growth. Okay, what we learned today? Today we learned about the cell wall. What is cell wall? Cell wall is a protective layer lies outside the plasma membrane. Cell wall is present in plant cell, algae, fungi and bacteria and not present in animal cell. Cell wall is composed of cellulose. Cellulose can provide strength to the cell. And secondly, we learn about the plasmolysis. What is plasmolysis? Plasmolysis is a process by which cells lose water in a hypertonic solution. Hypertonic solution means a solution has a greater concentration of solute. So, I am giving follow-up activities. Mangoes in rain. Take a small mango in a bottle and put some highly concentrated salt solution into the bottle. Remark your observation after a week. That's your follow-up activity. Thank you all. Take your notes and write the symbol notes. Look at the previous slides and write your notes.